Whatever your tastes, the Wolf Gourmet Blender will craft what you crave. This high-performance blender's 2.4 peak horsepower motor propels the blades to speeds over 210 miles per hour. Your fresh, healthy ingredients become incredibly smooth and delicious in no time at all. Use the manual mode's infinitely variable speed control, count-up timer, and pulse button to precisely control blending for your own delightful culinary creations. Or choose one of the 4 convenient program settings offering one-touch smoothies, crushed ice, purees, or hot soups. You can also challenge it with foods that seem unconventional for a blender. And the 2-piece Cap Assembly's emulsion cup creates perfect salad dressing. The Wolf Gourmet Blender offers complete control for consistent results so you can create with confidence every time.